Hi everyone and welcome to another video by Edolio. In this video, we'll learn how to add months or years to a date in Excel. So as you can see, I have some dates. I also have months that I wanna add to this date. And here is where we will see the new dates. So as you can see, there are some whole numbers, there's an integer value, and there is also negative value. Now first, let's try to increase the dates by these months, and then let's see how it affects when there is an integer and when there is a negative value. So I'm gonna come here and we're going to use a special formula in Excel. So equals EDATE, open the bracket, first select the date, that's the first argument, put a comma, and now the month. So months is in B2, close the bracket, hit enter. Now first let me drag this formula down, done. So here we wanted Excel to increase the month by 1. So 1st August became 1st September. Here it's 12 months, so you can see 12 September 2023 became 15 September 2024. Now here we wanted to add 2.2 months. So 10 October actually became 10 December. So in this case, what happened is Excel only considered the whole value and not the decimal place. So it actually considered 2.2 as 2. So 10th October became 10th December. So decimal values are not accounted for. Now here it was 18 months, that's 1.5 years. So 1st Jan became 1st July 2024. And here we actually use negative values. So now when we use negative values, Excel actually decreased it by the months rather than increasing it by the month. So 12th March 2023 minus 1 became 12th Feb. So we went back 1 month. And here we actually decreased it by 12 months. So 31st December 2023 became 31st December 2022. So that's how you add months in a date. Now quickly, let's see how to add years. So I have the same data and these are all going to be year values. So I'm going to increase year by 1, 3, 2.5, so on and so forth. And of course, minus is actually decrease. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same formula, EDATE, but make a small tweak. So I'm going to do EDATE, open the bracket, select this, comma, select this, and multiply it by 12. So this formula is still made for months. But what we're trying to do is we're trying to multiply it by 12. So that instead of increasing it by 1 month, we are actually increasing it by 12 months. That is 1 year. So that's the tweak that we need to make. Hit enter and I'm going to drag it down. And you can see it increased by 1 year. Here it increased by 3 years. And here it increased by 2.5 years. Here you can see it's 3. Now here, of course, it's minus. So it actually has to be decreased by 1 year. So 2023 became 2022. And here we decrease it by 10 years, so 2023 became 2030. Now in the case where we actually put a decimal value 2.5, it accounted the decimal value also. Why? Because 2.5 multiplied by 12 actually became 30 months. And because it became 30 months, it increased 10th October 2023 by 30 months, 10th April 2026. Because we multiplied it by 12, the decimal value or 2.5 actually became a whole number 30. And that's why it worked like this. Now, if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to show us some support. Now, if you want to master Excel from beginner concepts to all the way to advanced concepts like pivot tables, vlookup, pivot charts, Power Query, index and match, and much, much more, then do check out our advanced Excel course. The link is in the description below. That's it from my side. I'll see you in the next video.